can share your screen, and I have shared the link on chat. So uh, let's go. Record a codeless test. Inst Download for Windows. We have reached in Windows though. Let's download it. Double click install. So this is basically the agent of test project. Okay. So and you have a UI with which you automate the application, and in behind the scene, if you will say, this agent will work for you. Okay, so you just have to keep it running once you are using the test project. Okay, so let's install the agent. Let's just wait for 2 minutes.
Which in Windows or
Yeah, start agent and finish. So agent should be running over here. If you see the taskbar, allow access. Agent is starting. Okay. Agent is now click here to register with your agent. Okay. So we can register. Yep. You can. Just log in with your ID. No, no. Yeah, okay. No worries. No, I think let's click on agent one more time. Taskbar में से. Can you find? Can you? Yes. Does double click on test project agent? Yeah. Start. I think we can quit it and then or restart. Yeah. Mm, It was opened in which application? Edge. Let's try to find it via history. Yeah. Log. Okay. So now the agent is registered. We can skip it, I think. Yeah. Click on agent, register agent. Or let's get back to Edge. This is Edge, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Give it a name. Let's minimize it. नीचे एरो है. ये नीचे नीचे. Orange arrow. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Okay. Now your agent is up and running. Okay. So let's go to project. Top header. Header. Yeah. Project. And let's create a project. Okay. So can you see my projects and my first project? Yeah. From here you can create any number of projects you want to make. Okay. You can duplicate this, you can edit this as well, you can create the folders. So let's choose a web application which you want to automate. Okay. So let's choose a very basic and simple test of login. Where do we want to log in? Like choose any website which you want to automate, or should I
Facebook.
give you a link?
Facebook.
Instead of Facebook, let me give you this link. Okay. uh, yeah, in the meet chat I have shared one link. Yeah. So basically, what you have to do is just go to that page, that link. Alt tab. Okay. So can you click on desktops? The first one. Or you can click on registers. If you wanna do register, let's register. Okay. Right hand side. Right hand side. Register after login. Yeah. And then you have to enter name, password, email ID, and click create. Okay. So this is, don't do it. We will do it with automation. Okay. So I will help you out in how you can do it basically. So let's click on new test. Or initially, let's create a new project first. Start with the project. We can create a new project. Just click on the drop down before my first project. Yes, new project and demo.opencard.com. So this is how you create a project when you get into a company and they ask you to create a complete automation project. So you are going to start like that. Okay. No, no, don't write description. Here it will be only project description. Okay. So let's just click on create. All right. So now you can see test and jobs, right? So in test and jobs, you can see below test and job, there is new folder. Below test and jobs, yeah, new folder. So with this new folder, with each and every page of the application, whatever the functionality is, you have to segregate the functionalities accordingly. Okay. So let's suppose you are working on register, then you will create a folder with register and you're going to put all the test cases in that particular folder. So let's create it. Let's create two folders. One is login and one is register. And one more folder, register. Okay. So let's create one, double click on it, register, double click on register. Okay. So you are inside the folder. So let's create a test inside register. Sayyada, are you getting like what exactly we are doing over here? Create test and click on create test. Yes. And now what you have to automate? Like you want to automate mobile or you want to automate web. So we are automating web, right? So let's click on web and click next. Let's give it a name. So with each and every test case, you have to put a certain ID, right? So let's start with register test 001. The register page test, you can say. And always follow the camel casing, okay? If you are writing it all together, do you know camel casing? Camel
No.
camel casing is basically every letter of the next word will be in caps. So like you have
Like
register
P
page
and T.
test, P and T. So page P will be in caps, upper caps, uppercase, and T will be in uppercase.
Okay.
Yeah, this one P uppercase, yes, and T uppercase. Tomorrow, if you are doing the coding automation, there we also use the same format. Okay. So you want to write any description about the test case, you can write it. No thanks. And escape. Now, if you want to give any tag like regression or sanity, like you can give any tag and just click on next. It's totally on you. Okay. Now here web application, we have to add new web application. So just click on the drop down, add new application for testing and write the name open card. in camel casing. So why I'm asking you, Neeraj, again and again, so that you remember it. Okay. Okay. Let's paste the link over here.
This one?
Yeah, this one. So this is direct link of this. Yeah, let's take the link of home page. Yeah, this link. And from here we have to go to register and everything. Next, record. So what you do over here is record and start recording.
This one is cloud or file?
No, yeah, let's keep it cloud. So basically, you want to save your test. There will be a code generated automatically by AI, right? So you want to save it in the cloud space or you want to save it locally in your machine. Okay, it totally depends on you. Okay, so this test projects give us 2 to 5 GB of a space in which you can uh, take that space and save. So we are not going to do it. So let's keep it cloud and start recording. Okay, so the application has started. Okay, can you see over here, pause, run? So if you don't want to record anything, you want to pause it, so you can pause it from here. And in the same header, can you see two arrows? You can minimize it. Yes. So now click on my account. Click on register. Click on first name. Not here in the text box. Yeah. Write your first name. Now click on last name. Click on email. Click on password. Now how do you scroll down in automation? Okay, so automation, this scroll bar doesn't work like that. Okay, so now let's suppose just scroll your mouse a little. Okay, so now you, in case you have to scroll till continue. Okay, so take your arrow to continue.
Okay.
Arrow to continue. Okay, now can you see this black bar? Take your arrow to three dots. Okay, yeah, click on these three dots. Okay, so now you can see actions. Okay, so take it to action, search, scroll, scroll, scroll to element, click this action. No, you can see over here, scroll to element. Yeah, just click on it, not the star, just click on it. Or if you have to install it, we have to install it, I think. So let's install it. Scroll down, scroll to element. This is done. Save step. Okay. Now it is looking for your element. Okay. So scroll window by delete this step, scroll window by 16th one. Okay, Now click on continue, or first click the checkbox. Okay, so this is done. So this is how you create a test case. Now let's close the window first. Okay, close the complete window. No, just close it. Okay. Now take your mouse to this and run this test case to the test only. To the test. No. Register. Yeah. Can you see the blue button? Yeah. Click on it. You want to run it on Chrome, Windows, Edge, or Internet Explorer? Let's we are okay. You want to use Edge? Let's click on Edge. Next. Try. Just wait for it. And over here in the top header, can you see the monitors? Here you can check now when the test is running. Okay, so it is preparing the test case right now. I think the test case is already done. So it's that speed, maybe. This, yeah, click on reports. Uh, Click on register page test. This one got error. Why it got error? Okay, let me share my screen and do it. Okay, just give me. So this is our first test. Do we have any test in it? I think we have one test. I don't know which test is this. So let's try to run this. Okay. So let's try to run it. So can you see here? The test has started. Okay. Can you see? It is executing automatically. I'm not doing anything. And it's closing the test. Now let's check the report. So this is the test report. Okay. So if you will click over here in test report, so this is 100% passed. If there will be any fail, then it will show you. Okay. So now let's go back to projects and let's add some of the test cases. Okay. So we are going to add one test case, web application, new, and this is, okay, let's copy this. I hope this link works. Okay, we are skipping the tags for now. And test project example, no, add new application. we are going to record our test. Okay. So so this is basically the website which we are using. It's basically a demo website. Okay. So let's click on either my accounts, register, and HUSAIN Hussein, and let's click on this Zaidi. Let's click on email at 123, password at 123. Okay, subscribe, yes, policy, and continue. Does it work? Yeah, and then just click on login, and we can check here if this is visible. Okay, so validation, and we are going to have contains text. So right now what all we have, it is going to register page, do all those things, then it is going to come back to login page and check if we have forgotten password text over here written. Okay, so we are going to run the application now. So let's try to run it. No, not this one. So can you see all the steps? This is how you can do automation in test projects. It's very simple, right? Now you can see demo test open card, and this is the statistics. It is passed, failed, or whatever. Okay. This is how you do it in test project. Now let's suppose, for example, this is your username and this is your password. And for example, you have 15, 20, and in real time you have like 200 test cases wherein you have to enter username and password every single test. Okay, so how you are going to do it? What you are going to do is you are going to use parameters. Okay, so let me show it here. Instead of here, click here. So add a parameter, username, and value Hussein. Create. Okay. Let's create one more parameter. Instead of username, let's call it first name. Okay, and you're going to create a here. Okay, so now let's go back to test, and here we are going to do is use parameter. Okay, project parameter, first name, and I'm going to do last name. So now can you see your test case is parameterized according to the project. So now tomorrow if you have to change this name like 1000 times in 1000 test cases, you do not have to go to each and every test step. Okay. What you have to do is basically just go to, let's save and exit. Just go to parameters and change it from here. So like your usernames, your password, your test data, which is used in multiple test cases, you can use it as parameters. Okay. So now there are certain steps which you can do with it. what all things you can do with it. Not this one. Click on it and record. Mm. Okay. So let's suppose you want to enter some text over here, okay, in this box. So what you are going to do is in automation, how you do it, first action, which is very important, is clear content. So what clear content does, it clears all the things which are already available in it. Okay. So you are going to clear content on it. Then you are going to click it and search anything, mobiles. Okay. Then you are going to click here. Now, what else validation you can have is, okay, you can have, see, these are all validations. Okay. You can have multiple validation. If it is a button and you want to check the text, okay, so you can say contains text. Then again, if you want to see whether it is clickable or not, is clickable or not. If you want to see is present or invisible, so is present or invisible. So these kind of test cases you can create over here. Can you see? Now tomorrow, if you want to parameterize this text, you can parameterize it as well. Okay. So this is how you create a test case in uh, test projects. So basically, this is how you are going to do it. Any questions as of now? Okay, great. So what you guys, what you can do is you can try using this tool and try to automate any application of your choice. Okay, try to automate the complete application. Like give it 1 day and not complete 1 day, at least 2 hours. Give it 2 hours and try to automate some parts of the application. Once you will do it by yourself, then you will understand a lot of things. And I would suggest sort of you also, if you do that, it would be much better for you.
Yes, yes, definitely today.
All right. Neeraj, you are clear with it?
Yes.
Great, man. And Sayeda, how about you? Do you want, is it installed in your system or what?
Actually,
Hmm.
I didn't
No worries, no worries.
install it. Yeah, so I will try later.
Okay, if you wanna try it later, that's completely fine. You can try it later. If you in
Hmm?
case you find any issue, you can connect with me. Okay.
Sure, definitely.
All right. All right then, guys. Take care. I think we can close today's session here
Hussein, at what
only.
time you sleep? Sorry.
I'm sorry.
At what time you sleep? Indian time?
Uh, 8:42.
No, no, no. At what time you sleep? Indian
Oh,
time.
I don't know, man. Like 2, 3, 4. It depends on the day.
Okay, so I can disturb you till 11, right?
I don't
I,
definitely, man.
I'm just arranging for the laptop and I will do it. But if I in any case, I'll call you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can try to do it if in case you find any issue. You can
Uh-huh.
definitely
So,
connect with
like,
me.
what we can do, or log in now. I understood. What else I can try to, navigate in the website?
Anything you want to do, okay? So
Like,
let's,
if I am like
I
doing
would
for
suggest
Flipkart.
you, I will
Mm-hmm.
suggest you do
Yes.
one thing, create one test case, create one manual test case first, okay? Write it
Okay.
and then try to automate that test case.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Then you will understand how the things work. So now
So
you will
manual
have,
test case in Jira,
uh,
right?
yeah, you can do in that way as well. So you can create a manual test case in Jira and
Yeah,
you can try to automate that test case.
the same test. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
No worries. All right, guys. Thank you, everyone. And
Thank you.
try to do it by yourself because if you will have your hands on, you will have more confidence.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Sam.
Thank you.
Bye.